That was the message by Sonam Wangchuk. Now his wife, Dr. Gitanjali Angmo, says that he has decided to break his fast after receiving assurances and letters from political leaders, but he also needs assurances from the government of India that no injustice will be done to the protesters. Gitanjali Angmo said Sonam has written this letter to Jitendra ji and Nadda ji saying that he needs assurances that no FIR will be filed against the peaceful protesters, that there will be no undue force against them. Listen in.
सोनम ने ये डिसाइड किया है कि ये एमपीज के अश्योरेंस और लेटर के बाद वो अपना फास्ट तोड़ेंगे, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ उनको ये भी अश्योरेंस चाहिए फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कि जो प्रोटेस्टर्स हैं उन पर कुछ अन्याय ना हो। आज रात को भी उन पर ना फिजिकली कुछ असॉल्ट हो, क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा कि पूरे कनॉट प्लेस में और भी सिक्योरिटी बढ़ा दी गई है। आज बहुत सारे मेट्रोज भी बंद कर दिए गए हैं। तो सोनम ने ये लेटर लिखी है जितेंद्र जी को और नड्डा जी को कि कोई भी बिना उनको ये एश्योरेंस चाहिए कि बच्चों के साथ कुछ गलत नहीं किया जाएगा, उन पे कोई FIR नहीं दर्ज किया जाएगा, उन पे कोई अनड्यू फोर्स नहीं डाला जाएगा।
Arzu with me on the broadcast. Arzu, we've just heard a video message by Sonam Wangchuk where he said that he wants to continue his fast. But a short while after that, his wife has now come out and given a soundbite as well. Correct me if the timeline of what I'm saying is right, that Sonam Wangchuk's message came before his wife's message, and that he's actually decided to now break the fast basis certain assurances that he's expecting from the government, and a focus of his assurances is on no punitive action against the protesters. Is that correct?
Yes, absolutely, Devika. You know what? Now it's been 25 days of hunger strike of Sonam Wangchuk, and now a video message has been released by him from Medanta Hospital, where he in fact talked about that all the MPs who has visited him have appealed to end his fast, and now he also asked that if he get the assurance that no action will be taken against the protesters, he is ready to end it. And after some time, his wife Gitanjali has in fact informed that Sonam Wangchuk has got the assurance from the MPs, and now he has decided to end his fast. And in fact, Sonam Wangchuk also needed assurance from the government of India to assure that what happened, one day before, the force which was used against the protesters, and also what clash that has happened between the police and the protesters, no FIR will be lodged against the protesters. This is what assurance that Sonam Wangchuk wants. So definitely, the letter has also been written to Jitendra Singh and JP Nadda, asking for the assurance for the same. So this remains to be seen what response the government of India gives to Sonam Wangchuk regarding this demand that has been put forward. Yes.
All right.